everyone, welcome to Book Tales by Preetha. After a very long time, this is an English content on Book Tales by Preetha. It's a book review content. The book is The Red-Haired Woman, written by Orhan Pamuk. Orhan Pamuk is a Nobel Prize for Literature winning writer novelist from Turkey, and in this very video I will talk about my experiences of reading this particular book, The Red-Haired Woman, which I had on my bookshelf, I believe, from 2018, and finally I got the time to read this book in 2024. To know in depth about this book or my feedback on this book, do check this video till the end. To watch similar videos, do subscribe to Book Tales by Preetha. The tale, The Red-Haired Woman, begins with the story of a young boy named Kem. I don't know what it is or how it is pronounced in Turkish language, but the English spelling is C-E-M. He is a teenager whose father works in a pharmacy shop, and the father has got certain leftist views. We see in a few chapters that this young boy lets us know that his father has left him and his mother, and then the mother and the child, they have to undergo situations where money was really a problem for them. The boy was a good student, and so in order to study science and to pay his education fees, he joins a master. Now what this master does, this master was somebody who used to be a well digger, and this young boy Kem was his apprentice. This master Mahmud and Kem, in the beginning we see, have got a very father-son kind of a relationship. The master teaches Kem how to dig well. This activity was very popular in Turkey even in the early 70s, as has been mentioned in this particular book. But an accident occurs which changes young Kem's life completely. Later on, we get to see that Kem has become an architect, he has married, and he has a wife who works along with him, and they have become very popular. But while Kem was residing with this master, he encounters a beautiful red-haired woman, and a young teenager boy like Kem falls in for this particular woman who was in her early 30s at that point of time. Something happens between Kem and this red-haired woman 30 years back, which has got impact, which we get to know 30 years later while reading this book. There are plots and subplots, and the entire story is extremely gripping and engrossing. The writing technique is extremely simple, easy, but as I said, it will keep the reader engrossing. This is the first book by Orhan Pamuk that I have read in all these years, and I have already made the next book which I plan to read. There is a book called Snow by Orhan Pamuk, but it's a very thick book which I intend to read. I have become a fan of this creative genius who has got something in him in a way in which he merges 2-3 subplots in one particular novel. Each plot is interlinked, and you have to read this particular book till the end to understand what happens next. First, I will talk about the plot of the book, The Red-Haired Woman. The plot, as I said previously, is gripping, engrossing, and the writer knows how to keep the reader's mind trapped. The storytelling is powerful, and you get to know so many things about Turkish culture, their history as well. This is the first book that I am reading personally by any Turkish writer, and I got to know so many things about Turkey. Turkey is somewhere which I have in my list. If I ever have money, I want to visit Turkey and Istanbul. If not, definitely I will read books by authors from there, because you know what happens when you read books, you get to know their culture. So through this tales plot, I got to know so much about Turkish history and Turkish culture, and that is so much in depth told in this particular novel by the writer. The next thing that I would like to talk about is the characterization. Kem is the protagonist, as well as the red-haired woman is another chief protagonist of this particular book, The Red-Haired Woman. As you can see, even the cover of the book has got a woman who's turned backside, whose hair is red. Now, Kem's character is something, when you start reading the book, you find it like you want to know more about this character, what this young teenager is going to do next. That is what I felt as a reader when I was reading this particular tale. Another interesting mysterious character was this red-haired woman. She has a mystery in her. She's sensuous, she's attractive. She works in a drama company which travels from one place to another. She had two husbands, plus she falls for this young boy, Kim. Why it is so? For that, you definitely have to read the book. There are other sub characters also in this particular book, but obviously, these two are the prime character. I even found Kim's father's character quite a leftist kind of a person who leads a bohemian life, and how experiences of his past life impacts his later life, which we can also see in Kim's character as well as the story gradually develops. Now I will talk about the language. The language is extremely easy, extremely simple. Even a student of class 7 or 8 can easily read this book. But yes, there are certain aspects which, if you are an experienced adult, you will understand it in a better way. That's what I felt. Next, I would talk about the cover of the book. I bought this book because I literally fell for the cover. Obviously, it took me 8 years to take out the book from the shelf and read it, but I definitely love the cover of the book. And as I told about the red-haired woman and how her character brings a twist in the plot and subplot of the book, and how that uh, this particular cover goes very well with the title, which is The Red Haired Woman, as well as the narration of the book. And for that, I would say that Penguin has done an amazing job by doing this kind of cover shoot for this book, The Red Haired Woman. Overall, I seriously enjoyed reading the book. I would say that reading this book was an experience for me because I had zero knowledge about Istanbul or Turkey. I got to know so much. My rating for this particular book is a 4.25 out of 5 stars, and I would definitely say that this book is for a mid-level as well as for beginner level readers. Even though you are an experienced reader, you can read the book just because of the plot. The plot is extremely interesting, and from the very first page to the last page, the author is successful in keeping the reader trapped in his writing. So it was a good reading experience, and I took so long to take out this book from my shelf and read it. For that, I am feeling ki why didn't I read this book before? So if you have not read this book and looking out for an interesting read, then do check out The Red-Haired Woman by Orhan Pamuk. And if you like today's video, then do like and subscribe to Book Tales by Preeta. For similar videos, as I said in the beginning, do subscribe to my channel. Have a great day ahead, and I will see you soon on my next content.